Hey developers, welcome back. Today I'll show you the easiest way to comment multiple lines at once in Visual Studio Code, saving your tons of times when coding. So let's dive in. First of all, open the VS Code and highlight the multiple lines you want to comment down. Suppose I want to highlight this or comment this line, so select it. After, use keyboard shortcuts in Windows, press Ctrl plus backslash. As you can see, the hashtag will come, or in to toggle block comments, press Shift plus Alt A. Shift plus Alt A. As you can see, or in Mac, to toggle line comments, press CMD plus backslash. To toggle block comments, press Shift plus Option plus A. Check your language syntax. Line comments add // or hashtag depending on the language, while block comments add /string string / or other block comment styles. And that's how you add or comment multiple lines quickly in VS Code. If this helps, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and I'll see you in the next one.